And she tell me some word and hang up the phone. And from that, me and Queenie don't deal, you know. You understand me? So she especially come on my yard, can do as she like. I mean, if she say nothing.
Okay.
So when she done, she can't go done me because she don't know fuck about me. All she can do is talk. It's 2 times I ever see that woman. You understand me? 2 times. Me no walk and thief nothing for nobody as according to she. You understand me? Okay. So that's her problem. I don't care. Me don't talk. I just want you just leave me picking alone now. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. She said, if Dewey did hear me when I put in the divorce in December, you know, and Dewey because he get the visa. And if I love the woman, you know, making him really tell her, say, he get the visa, you know. And so he gonna draw back the divorce papers them. I see you that getting divorced long time. You understand me?
Okay.
We don't want nobody come talk about doing an opportunist. What the fuck opportunist? When get? When have? More than fly up and down pan plane and sit. When have? When have? Nothing. But the 3 visa them. And I miss him go embassy go get the last one. So all who kill up themselves and a galang. Doing that Canada, and me pay Airbnb for him stay Canada. For the 3 months him there. You hear me? I don't want nobody to come go and like say a Queenie did a pay this and a Queenie did a pay that. And mommy do that. You understand? Since he come and work here and him a take plane and mommy do that. And no Queenie money I do it. So me don't want people sit down and talk about doing an opportunist and doing that. What the fuck him have if he saying and get out of that? More than fly up and down. Eh?
So the divorce paper, are you the encouraged you if you put it in the first time?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. When he tell doing how him figure suck out him big thinking mama a pussy and how him figure hey lady, look here now.
Nobody wants to me do that for my son too. So me do everything for my son too. So you go.
I don't care what nobody wants say. I'm my picking. I'm my picnic. When me see how this big old woman sit down and a deal with the picnic. Look here, lady, me a 58-year-old and she a 54. And girl, all it
She said
put
somebody take picture of one pot and come here. Was that did that happen as well?
What kind of pot?
Pad, napkin, sanitary napkin.
My next son, okay. I hear she talk about water bill. She said give me £100. The £100 where she give pay the water bill because 3 times a day she don't have me yard a bed. She a bed, she a use light, she a use internet and nobody need to contribute no money. And me stand from foreign and pay me bills. You hear me tell a lady? Me stay from foreign and pay my bills. Right? The pad now. One, she must have left a blood up pad in the bathroom. It's a blood up pad. And my next son step in it and him take the picture and send it come give me and say, Mommy, me can't take no more of this when them people there leave me place. You understand?
Okay.
All right. So as a year pick me now and he pick me tape in a blood up pad, what you would do?
Okay.
There's a whole heap of things to this thing when nobody not talk, you know. A whole heap of things to this thing. Me never hate the woman. Me just never approve of no marriage. And furthermore, me did just come a foreign. So me never go left come down for come and nobody marriage. Cause that not interest me.
You never did a foreign long time. You did just got a foreign when the marriage going.
Yeah, and 2020 me come up here.
Okay.
That's why do we no file for already. And when me realize doing go marry the woman and me couldn't file for doing again. You understand? I remember you when you come here, you have to work 2 years. I have 2 years W2 for sure. Say Yeah, work and you can afford to pick them when them come here.
Oh, okay.
And next year me I go for me citizenship. You understand me, girl? So I like me sit down here a long time. Everybody a talk about why Dewey mother never file fee, man. Why Dewey mother never that? Why? Please, me sick and me tired of it now, man. Give me a break. Me work hard for what me want. Me no run in a store and run out a store and thief nobody things. You hear me tell you? Me work hard. When me a try get me house, me have problem because the people them say I 3 year me there owe me a buy house already. Me slip them and gather them up and show them. And none of me money when me have a Jamaica, me not touch by this. You hear me tell you? Oh.
Okay. All right, mommy. We hear everything.
There's a whole lot to this thing where she not talking. He pick me in her bed, he can't sleep. She run up on him. All them thing there. If the mother fi talk the truth. And them see him one tell me say then glad me no sign no paper. Oh. That me I tell you. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold?
Yeah.
Okay. You understand me? So, me no business who want kill me. Me and the mother talk yesterday. And the mother says she no get no threat from doing a lie her daughter tell. Okay. Bye, Juju.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Mess up.
Yeah.
People. I don't know. Only better go defend when Queenie start cuss me. Only better go defend when Queenie start cuss me. Somebody over here said about defend when Queenie start cuss me. Let me tell you something. When I go ask the lady why her son pick up one woman older than him. But they are England a man pick me up way younger than me. I'm a big old woman for them. What happen? Some young youth love fuck big woman. I want to know. Something wrong with that? Yeah, plan focus your just company life, so you save your life, you watch it over. The lady said she called the Queenie mom and them send of threat no go. What I'm doing no. Not what me, hey, me I got done this live now because Queenie I go start with Queenie start boy. Me I got done this live. Oh my you got to and beat him. Guilty of my back. I may say, different answer, I don't believe her. I don't believe. Someone not help me. That's why I better love my life food, you know. Because they talk about you should cut out about this, I don't make me get beat up. Anyway, we're gonna finish the life now. Me know you not left me cutie. Queenie the body. Fluffy shade there. Because I wonder where you're there now. But I see you. I'm gonna tell you something, yeah, man. Every woman I go defend them son. Me don't care what I say. Everybody defend them pitney. Anybody when I defend them pitney is a wicked man. And you know, so who was me talk already? Who said doing not have the ambition? I lie them I tell. And who look on it something all over and sis and talk like say doing a love Queenie. Me no saying love Queenie. So nobody can tell me nothing. Me know that. When the man them come over here, some of them come over here and married them. As them get the first sitting, so then divorce the woman. As them get the first sitting, so them divorce the woman. You not go and talk. Queenie life the worst like some of you one. Now look pound no. Queenie got life. Over there we gone. Later.